On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to use cheap traffic source to make money from home with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. The best part is that you can use this method wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. There are a lot of different CPA marketing networks that you can join. In this case, I'm going to be using CPA Group. CPA Group is a CPA network that has a lot of offers that you can choose to promote. And the best part is that wherever you are in the world, you can search for CPA Group and then sign up for a free account. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you're here, click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, select My Offers. Once you click on My Offers, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to find offers to promote. So when you scroll down, you can see these are offers that you can promote. You can see only two. CPA offers, they are country specific, so you have to select a specific country so that you can get offers that are available in that country for you to promote. You cannot promote any offer to any place that you want. You must select a specific country and then get people who live in that country to click on your affiliate link and then take the action for you to make money. As you can see, these offers are available in the United Kingdom. There are only two. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to search for a different country where we can get offers that have higher payout. These offers, the payout is very low, you can see. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to search for a different country where we can get offers with higher payout. To search for a country, click right here. Once you click on it, you can scroll and then select any country that you want. You can see a whole lot of different countries. Select any country that you want so that you can get offers that are allowed in that country. You can see a whole lot of different countries. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to search for Spain. So search for Spain. Once you search for it, you can see it right here. Click on it. Once you click on My Offers, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to select an offer to promote. You can see there are a lot of different offers that you can promote to people who live in Spain. You can see this offer right here. The payout is $10. So when you promote it and then get a lead, this is the amount that you are going to be getting per every lead that you get. There are a lot of them. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll down and then select any of them that you want so that you can promote it. You can see this offer right here. The payout is $11.25. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every lead that you get. You can scroll down further and then select any offer that you want. You can see this one, the payout is $16.68 per every lead that you get. But one thing about this offer is that your potential visitors are required to enter their credit card details so that they can get access to the offer and you are going to be paid. Let's scroll down further so that we can find out if there are other offers. You can see another offer, you're going to be earning $19.25. You can see $6.42. So just select any of them that you want to promote. You can see a whole lot of different offers. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting this offer right here. You can see the payout is $12.83 per every lead that you get. So I'm going to be promoting this offer. To promote it, click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you can see this is an image of the offer and you can see right here, this is your affiliate link. So you have to get people who live in Spain to click on this link and then take a specific action so that you can be paid $12.83. You can see if you want to select a new tracking domain, you can click right here. Once you click on it, you can select any tracking domain that you want. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people who live in Spain to click on your affiliate link. You can use free traffic source or you can use paid traffic source. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you an extremely cheap traffic source that you can use to get people who live in Spain to click on your affiliate link and then take the action so that you can be paid. The traffic source that we're going to be using today is noviclick.com. This is a cheap traffic source that you can use to promote any offer that you want. It is available worldwide, so you can target any place that you want when you are running ads on this platform. You can see a whole lot of different things on this website. The best part is that they have different ad formats. You can see these are ad formats that you can select to run an ad. Another good thing is that the traffic is very cheap. So if you're a beginner with low budget, you can still advertise on this website and then make profit promoting CPA offers. Now what you have to do is that you have to create an account so that you can begin to promote your affiliate link on this website. To create an account, click on register. Once you click on register, You have to follow all the steps so that you can create a free account. So you have to enter your first name, last name, enter your email address, your password, confirm your password. You have to click right here and then select how you heard about them. Once that is done, you have to agree to the terms and conditions. Once that is done, click on I'm not a robot and then click on create account. Once you click on it, you can get access to a free account. Once you create your account and log in, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to create a campaign. To create a campaign, click right here, create campaign. Once you click on create a campaign, the first step is that you have to give a name to your campaign. So type the name of your campaign right here. So just type any name that you want. So let me type something like Spain offer. Once you give a name to your campaign, the next step is that you have to select the ad format. You can see they have a lot of different ad formats that you can select. Select the one that you want. In this case, I'm going to select push traffic, so select it. Once you select your ad format, you have to scroll down. You can see URL. This is where you're going to paste your affiliate link. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA group. Once you come back, click right here, copy link, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see categories and countries. So select the category of traffic that you want. You can see they have mainstream traffic and then adult traffic. Select the one that you want. In this case, we don't need adult traffic, so you can deselect that. Once you select the traffic category, the next step is that you have to select the country. You can see countries. You have to select the countries that you are targeting. You can see right here they have include and exclude. So if you want to include the country, you have to select include and then type the name of the country right here. If you want to exclude the country, you can select exclude. Once you select exclude, you have to type the country right here. In this case, we want to include a country. That means we want to buy traffic from that country. So search for the country that you are targeting right here. In this case, the offer is allowed in Spain. So search for Spain. Once you search for it, you can see it right here. As you can see, it has been selected. It is only allowed in Spain, so do not select any country apart from Spain. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see creative. So this is where you are going to upload images and then the description of the offer that you are promoting. So you have to go back on CPA group so that you can get an image of the offer. Once you come back on CPA group, what you have to do is that you have to right click on the offer image, select save image as. Once that is done, click on save so that you can save the image onto your device. Once you save the image, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, upload icon. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, click right here, upload image. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. You can see it has been uploaded. Once that is done, you have to paste the title of your ad here and then a description. For the title, you can come back on CPA group and then copy the title of the offer as your ad title. So highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to paste the description of the offer here. So come back on CPA group. Once you come back, highlight and copy the description, highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to delete all of this. We don't need them, so just delete it. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see special targeting. So you have to select the device that you are targeting. So when you come back on CPA group, you can see the offer is allowed on Android. So what you have to do is that you have to target mobile. So click right here and then select mobile. Once that is done, you can also select tablet. As you can see, that has been done. That is the device that you are targeting. The operating system, you have to select Android. So select all Android. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see browsers. The offer is allowed on all browsers, so just leave it. You can see mobile carriers. It is allowed on all mobile carriers, so just leave it. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. Just scroll down to the bottom. Once you scroll down to the bottom, you can see budget and byte. So what you have to do is that you have to select the pricing model. You can see they have CPC, cost per click. If you want smart cost per click, you can select that. You can see if you want smart cost per action, you can select that. In this case, we are going to select cost per click. Once that is done, you have to select the byte. You can see this is the top byte and it is extremely low, so you can select it. You can also see the average byte. It is also extremely low, so just select the one that you want. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select the top byte. So enter the figure right here. So we are going to enter $0.042. This is our byte. So this is the amount that we are going to be paying per every click that we get. Once that is done, you can enter the daily budget here. So let's enter $10. The total budget, you can enter any amount that you want. So let's enter 50. So you can see that our bite is extremely low, so let's increase it. Let's make it 4.2. I think this is okay. As you can see, that has been done. Now once you have your budget and the cost per click, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see time targeting. So if you want to schedule your campaign to run on specific day of the week, you can do that, or at any specific time of the day you can do that. But in this case, we are going to leave it at default. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see optimization. If you want to blacklist any website, you can do that. If you want to whitelist any website, you can do that. But in this case, we are going to leave it at default. Once that is done, you have to scroll down to the bottom. You can see they have custom byte. Just leave everything. Once that is done, you have to agree to the quality guidelines. So click right here to agree. Once you agree to that, the next step is that you have to create your campaign. So click on create campaign. Once you click on create campaign, your campaign is pending approval. You can see it right here. It is pending approval and it's going to be approved within some few minutes. Once it is approved, you have to deposit money into your account so that your ad can start running. To deposit money, just click right here, fund your accounts. Once you click on fund your account, you have to select a method of payment. You can see they have dollars and euros. So select any of these currency that you want. Let's select dollars. Once you select it, the next step is that you have to choose any of these methods of payment. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select any of them that you want. But before you use PayPal, you have to contact the accounts manager. Before you use your credit card or debit card, you have to also ask your accounts manager. Once you ask them, they will guide you on how to use your credit card or PayPal to deposit money into your accounts. The minimum deposit is $100, so you have to select $100 right here. Once you select it, you have to agree to the terms and conditions. Once you agree to it, you can click right here, proceed with payment. Once you click on it, you can be able to deposit money into your accounts so that your ad can start running and you are going to be getting cheap traffic from Spain. So make sure you go and take action using this method so that you can make money from home. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.